Hello everybody and welcome to my new video, and in this video we are going to change a heat element on a hot air station. So let's get started. When you are working with devices like this, the device should be unplugged from electricity. Because once when I was working on this hot air station, while it was plugged into the electricity, I got electrocuted. Sometimes the heat element can burn and you will need to change it. If the temperature is going up and down, the heat element is not good. Here on the bottom in the holes we have screws. And right now I'm going to disassemble the hot air station. To remove the heat element, click on this handle and pull. Remove the head of the hot air station. Connect the heat element. Connect the head of the hot air station. This is a heat-resistant electrical tape and I will use it for isolation. The hot air station is working right now. When you are testing, move the station very fast in circles and increase the temperature, so you can see if it stays on the temperature you have already set. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video.